You have two options for investing $40,000 for 25 years. Option A is to deposit the entire $40,000 as one lump sum at a rate of 6.5% compounded annually for 25 years. Option B is to deposit $1,600 at the end of each year with an interest rate of 6.5% compounded annually for 25 years. After the 25-year period, how much more will you have from the lump sum investment? So we have two scenarios here. We have two options. And for both options, we are trying to find the future value. And once we find the future value, we are going to subtract them because the question asks how much more will you have from the lump sum investment. Okay, so both options are compounded annually. So the PYCY in both is 1. Both options are for 25 years. So the N is going to be 25 times 1 for both of them. The interest rate is the same, 6.5. So the big difference is the PV and the PMT. So for the lump sum, we are depositing the $40,000 just once right at the start. So that is the present value. And the PMT is going to be 0 because we are not making any further deposits. For option B, we are starting out with nothing, but every year we are going to be depositing $1,600. So because that happens multiple times, that goes in the payment slot. So let's use the calculator to find both of these future values. So for option A, we get $193,107.96. And for option B, we get $94,220.29. So now we just need to subtract these. So we find that we earn $98,887.67 more from the lump sum investment. And this is because the entire $40,000 is earning interest right from the beginning.